parents, I just wanted to make a quick video for logging into Flipgrid just to make sure that it's super clear what you need to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the link that was sent out through both the email and through Facebook. And the next thing I need to do is log in with Google. There's so many things that we use at school that the answer is log in with Google. So when I press log in with Google, it comes up with the people that I've already been that have logged into this. But what I'm going to focus on is right below this, it says use another account. So I'm going to press on use another account. And that then pops up and it autofills for me for ones that I've used before. And what I'm going to do is pause the video. I'm going to put in a student's email. So for the student's email, they have the year that they're going to graduate from high school, then their personal information. And after that, it then needs to be the @ symbol, students.cdschools.org. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to put in actual information so it'll actually go to the next step for you. Okay, so now that I put in that valid student entry, this opens up, and this is what the students see when they log in on the Chromebooks at school. And so this then, all it needs from them is their student information and their student password, and then they'll press login. It is important to note that when they put in their information here, you're not putting in the whole email this time. This time it's just the date, the number for their graduation year. So like 27, 28, 32, and then their information and their password. Don't do the @students.cdschools.org this time. All it needs is the basic information. So I'm going to finish logging in here. Once you've gone past those two steps, the first one with the email, the second one with just their ID and password, then you should end up on this home page. And this landing page is just a place where everyone can record a hello. And then after you record a hello, or if you want to jump just straight to the read alouds, they are over here and you can see the book titles that we have recorded. The faces over here mean that someone already recorded in that area. So you can see all of the books that we already have recorded. And then there's places where we are waiting, like these books are coming soon. And down here we have where students can record them reading themselves. Okay, we're really looking forward to seeing all of their lovely faces.